is Vaishali Venkatnarayan, and I'm the Faculty of Art of Living, trained to take courses for the diabetic and hypertension patients. Now, diabetic is a psychosomatic disease. It's the reason, the root cause for the diabetic or hypertension is stress. And stress is in the body, in the mind, it's not in the body. And how do you de-stress your mind? That is what the technique we teach in Art of Living. The yoga is what the union of body, breath and mind. And when you're doing yoga, you can be relaxed. That are called relaxation technique. One important thing I would like to share here, it's very interesting. You know, diabetic is lifestyle disease and it is lifelong disease. Once you are diabetic, many times it is very difficult to come out of that condition. So when it is a lifestyle and lifelong, you need a lot of strength to face the reality and to come over it. And that strength you get by doing this course where it's going beyond your physical, mental, it deals with even emotional level. And that is the reason why the doctors at Narayan Hridayalaya, or they want us to be part of their diabetic club, because the strength, emotional, mental is what we get. You know, the yoga has a lot of benefit. The yoga has benefit of improving all your system, your excretory system, your circular system, you name it, your endocrine system. All those can be rectified, modified. It can have a lot of strength only by doing yoga. We have selected few yogasanas and exercises especially designed for the diabetic and hypertension people to help them. With the limited time that we have nowadays, all of us so busy that we are so much pressed for the time. In that limited time, how can we do what doctors are asking us to do? Burning that many calories, walking that many kilometers. And that is the specialty of this special program for the diabetic and hypertension people, which is we call Living Well Workshop of Art of Living. And that is right. Yeah, Art of Living, of course, Art of Living is a very worldwide organization where we have representation in 151 countries. Our Andhra Pradesh is also a huge. We have a website called artoflivingap.org. That is where you just have to go to the website, click the area, and you will get all the details about this program.